memorable experience?
My most memorable experience here in Cravings Fraser Place is that when I was training at the bar. Yes, that was my most memorable experience. Ah, Nandun lahat kasi yung pressure eh. Siyempre, on that time, wala talaga akong any idea sa bar. Wala akong idea. So, when they put me there, parang eto na. But, I said to myself na kaya ko to. But at the same time, talagang pressure. Kasi, after ng breakfast, a la carte, at the same time may function, consumable. So, lahat ng drinks nandun. Maraming tao sa dining at the lunch. So, parang hindi ko alam kung ano unahin ko hanggang sa dumating na si Sir GQ. Tambak na ako dun. Kaya yun, parang ano din, mas na baga parang tawag dito, mas pinagbutihan ko pa.
Most important lesson that you have learned during your stay here at Cravings?
Most important lesson that I've learned, siguro, most important lesson that I've learned is that, of course, when you are focusing to your work, you also have to love, and also you're enjoying. Hindi natin pwedeng sabihin trabaho lang tayong trabaho kasi kailangan eh. Nagtatrabaho tayo kasi nag-enjoy tayo at gusto natin magtrabaho.
People who influence your life?
People who influence my life, syempre yung family ko. Saka yung baby ko ngayon. Yung mag-ina ko,
Thank you, sir.